Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I have a new artist to present for you. Not French, and this is French. Joé Dwèt Filé. Could maybe guess it's pronounced. I'm not sure, but anyway, Mr. Joe, he performs a song called. Okay, a very simple song to play and handle on guitar. We have a capo on the first frets. That is the best scenario for us. 3 chords rolls in the same way. Let's go through them and start with A. Okay, so A goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. B minor is the next chord, bar chord. You place index finger on the second fret. All strings except for the last E string is necessary to push down, and then you need to add 4th D, 4th G, 3rd B. And finally we have the G. And that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so let's play like this. That's all you need. So what you're gonna play here, grab the A and play down, a short pause, and then up clap down to start with. So down, up clap down, and after that down you have a short pause as well, and you finish off with down clap. That's it. So down, up clap down, down clap. Like that. All right, so what you're gonna play is A, one of these string rounds, B minor 1, and G2, and that just rolls in the same way through the entire song. Let's go. Again. That's it. Joe's Cold. All right. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Till next time, play tuned.